The Great Wall of China Untold Facts. Unveiling History. Introduction. Did you know that the Great Wall of China is not just a wall? It's a symbol of history, mystery, and human ingenuity. Today, let's uncover some untold facts about this magnificent structure. Dive into the depths of history with us. Structure and history. Most people think the Great Wall is a single, continuous wall. But in reality, it's a collection of smaller walls built over centuries by different dynasties. The sections we see today are primarily from the Ming Dynasty. Purpose and utility. The Great Wall wasn't just built to defend against invasions. It also served as a boundary marker, a means to control trade, and a symbol of unity for the nation. Construction and challenges. The wall was constructed using materials like earth, bricks, stone, and wood. Its height and width varied based on the terrain and the level of threat. But this massive project came at a high human cost. Harsh working conditions, lack of food, and diseases claimed countless lives. Length and maintenance. Determining the exact length of the Great Wall is tricky. It's estimated to be around 8,850 kilometers long. Maintaining such a vast structure was no small feat. Thousands of soldiers were stationed along the wall for patrolling and repairs. Myths and legends. The Great Wall is surrounded by fascinating legends. One popular myth claims that a human body was buried under every brick, though this has never been proven. Modern recognition. Today, the Great Wall of China is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It stands not just as a historical monument, but as a treasure preserved for future generations. Our reduction. The Great Wall of China is more than just a structure. It's a testament to human perseverance, creativity, and the enduring spirit of a civilization.